Good morning, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Okay. Firstly, before the live starts, we're gonna check our voice and video. Please let us know if you have any difficulties hearing from us or watching the video. Okay. I hope the voice is okay. Who's cooking? Okay. Can anyone hear our voice clearly? I mean.
Our voice is okay.
Okay, I'm gonna change the camera.
Yeah, video and voice fun. Thank you, Henry. Thank you.
It's really cool.
So much.
Okay. It's really cold here. Okay, the sound is okay. I'm using my laptop. As you can see here, first time using it, or no, second time using it. Hopefully it's better than before. We had a horrible sound quality before, and okay. Well, thank you all for checking this with me.
Yes. Loud and clear.
We will just keep warm here. It's really kind of empty room so far, and we are so cold here.
Yeah, office is very cold.
Well, okay, I'll keep my hand on since I'm seeking my hand. Yes, cold in China, in Shenzhen actually.
In Shenzhen, yeah.
You know what? It's not that cold, like minus something. It's just there is no heater, no air condition running in South China.
What's the temperature today?
I think it's
maybe
7 degree right now.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean in North America or Europe, like it's really cold, but you are warm inside the house because you have all heaters running.
Eli, nice jacket.
Yeah. Okay.
Cold in China.
Thank you all.
In Sweden, we have minus 30.
Minus 30 is okay.
Wow.
Well,
right now have snow. Yes, minus.
Yes,
30.
it depends. It depends. Snowing. Yeah. In my hometown, which is in the north of China, it's like a minus 25 so far. It's also cold.
I want to see snow in Shenzhen. Have a chance or not in Shenzhen?
What? I didn't listen to you.
I want to see snow.
Okay.
In
okay.
Shenzhen.
Snowing in Shenzhen. Well, it's
have this chance or not?
Maybe this year. If it's got to minus, we could have snow in Shenzhen, but it's hardly like so. Mm-hmm. We don't have raining so far for a couple months, and it's the air right now is cold and dry. Lots of snow. Wow, this must be beautiful. Okay, just guys, stay at home and watching some videos and our live stream and play with your 3D printer. I think that's the 2021 winter. Okay. Okay, our topic here today.
Our topic.
Okay, I forgot to post you guys here.
I think the government brought stopped at Shanghai.
It depends on the areas, I believe. It's just in this building, our highest temperature can go up to 25 degrees. Mm. But then the air conditioner will not work. If you saw my post on Facebook this morning, I using an Ender 3 hot bath to warm up my hands. That was really sweet.
Useful.
Yes, yeah. useful. Okay, thank you. So if you have any suggestions or advice, you can just give us any feedback. We can do many improvements and our goal are same, which is providing a good product and service to everyone who are using our printers. And also as a 3D printer user, I'm kind of using many 3D printers every day. I face the same problem as you guys. We will talk about that later.
Hi from New York.
No way. It's 32 degrees in Africa. Wow. I'm so jealous. It's like you still wear your like a swimming suit.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for staying with us.
Yeah.
Okay, my tongue is kind of frozen right now.
Thank you work with us together.
Yes, yes.
Eli, like the upgrade you have on the printer, the scroll holder looks cool. You want to talk about that?
Okay, basically, I'm using what I have. This is just here. This part is abandoned extrusion, as you can see. It's 2020. Well, the original spoon holder, which is go up to here, I think that creates a lot of frictions when the filament goes to a big curve, and so I'm trying to reduce the distance between the filament and the extruder. Also provide a smooth like a fading line like this. So that is one practical and easiest way for me to do. It won't take long, and I have the material, so I'll use it. Otherwise, I have to design one and print it, or maybe some other things happen. So it's very simple design or modification, if you can see.
Simple but useful.
Yes, yes. Hello from UK.
Can you guys send me one so I can make some videos about it? I need it and will promote the heck out of it. My MacBook went down and is junk. I love to help the self printers.
Okay, so if you are talking about the business, okay, contact our Facebook admins, which is Tina or Fan Fan.
Yana or Fan Fan.
Yes, Yana is here. Since they are in charge of the cooperation with others and the YouTubers, everyone. Mm-hmm. So there will be the person you are looking for.
Okay.
4 and 3 Pro. Oh, okay. So and 3 Pro. I think it's time for you to update to a larger printer. And you have 4 and 3. I mean, they are same. That means you are doing productions or something like this.
And the 3 Pro factor.
Yeah. Are you get bored of your N 3? Do you want to try something new and exciting? Okay, thank you. It's an easy modification. Okay, I think my best creative thing will be this morning. I use my hot bag to warm up my hands. Check the video on the Facebook and you will laugh. Okay. Okay. I want to emphasize our topic today. It's not about printer itself. Maybe a little bit. It's mainly about design things. I think many people have printed a lot of things. I don't know how many parts you printed is downloaded from the website, or some part you designed by yourself. I mean, as we are using a 3D printer for many times, we kind of know we have the need to design our own stuff. Actually, this is the one largest advantage about 3D printer. It allows us to make our imaginations or our models turn into a actual part.
Mm-hmm.
So we will finish the comments and then start our topic.
Yeah, Eric asked, how can one use an under 3v2 screen with an under or under Pro?
Oh, okay. Funny thing. I don't know if you are using under three v2 screen on under three, something like that. There must be something related to modification in the firmware. Well, one news I can tell you is that we are going to release a touch screen for Ender 3 and Ender 3 Pro. That means you can end up a touch screen to your old printers to do lot of functions. And I tried one. So that is not a simple touch screen like CR6 SE, and it has more advanced settings. It allows you to change a lot of machine settings in a touch screen. So I'll just keep eyes on that. I think it's a good design and a product.
Eric, this question may be a nice topic.
Yes,
we can do it.
When the product release, we will bring it here and do a live stream.
I made an enclosure to help protect my printers from cold air.
You want to put your hand? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Yes, in a cold area, we kind of need the enclosure. Whatever it's made of, either it's cloth or acrylic, I think it's very helpful for the printer. You can save lots of energy and keep the printing safe. Also, it looks cool, I believe.
Do you guys know what is happening with the process? What is it? Restriction to UP.
就是有禁令，对英国的禁令。Okay, so I think same like other products or cargos, UK and Europe, I think they are okay. You tell me. I don't know. Okay, we don't know. No, I think it's for every trade, for every trade.
我知道欧洲有禁酒令，晚上几点？
Okay, that's different story. It's not wine. Okay, anyway, whatever we can do is under the order of the government. So I don't know the details actually. Hey, sorry guys, we are kind of offline.
Yeah, maybe the website.
Are you guys here?
Maybe the line is so exciting to meet you.
Yes. I'm sorry. We are offline. Just suddenly that happens. We are using a VPN which is super unstable.
No, it's fixed.
I don't know how to make sure we are online all the time, but I will try my best.
Some companies are still doing postage, but I think it's down to each country's rules about posting here or accepting it from here.
Yes. So we have no idea actually. We are just one company, and all we can do is follow the rules of each country.
Which program you use for making 3D
now
designs?
We can talk our topic. I'm using SolidWorks 2018. Well, whatever other software you are using, I think they share the basic functions, and they are kind of interchangeable. So if you can use one software, you can. I mean, it's possible for you to use other one with a couple times practice. Yes, it will be one.
Yeah. What
I think about
for the N5.
yeah, touchscreen for N5, it's really a time of modification in the firmware, nothing else.
I have some stuff pending from China. I know they have put a ban at the moment, but for how long I'm not sure.
Yes, I think we can get a launch enclosure, so we can put you and me inside there.
Need a heart rate.
Okay. Are we okay with our internet? Yes, still there. Yes, yes, we are online. Sorry for the inconvenience and the unstable internet. Well, we are kind of setting up everything right now. It's a kind of massive here.
Well, it's my first time to spending winter in South China.
Yeah. Okay. It's so cold. Yeah. It's different from north areas. In north it's cold, but it's warm inside. But here it's cold and cold inside and outside.
Have Creality realized an auto level 3D printer?
Auto leveling 3D printer. Okay, what do you mean auto leveling? So it's we have BL Touch and we have the pressure sensor. So auto leveling is a big topic. If you are talking about the totally auto leveling, that will be not by us. But the BL Touch, I think, is one of the auto leveling method. Thank you for the kind consideration. We are still here hanging since we have the hot bed here, just to give us some warm feeling. How did you learn SolidWorks by yourself? It's difficult with no background in 3D programs. Well, for me personally, I'm a mechanical engineer, so I basically spent many years in college to learn SolidWorks and other softwares. Well, it needs some practice, either by yourself or by some helping from YouTube. I think if you want to learn by yourself, you can start with a free software like Function 360 and other similar softwares. But the principle is similar. We need to understand the design process. Basically, we kind of sketching the 2D drawing and then make it to a 3D. That will be the basic principle of 3D modeling. So regardless of different softwares, the core knowledge are same. The rest thing will be spend a lot of time on practice and watch some video.
Do you enjoy seeing use upgrading your machines with our own modification, or does that get anything?
Okay, I think I can feel some confidence or achievement from updating the 3D printer. I think so do you guys. When we buy products for something else, like if you buy a laptop or if you buy a cell phone, it's hard for us to modify it. That's it. It's already modified by the manufacturer. But here, 3D printer, we can become the owner or creator of the machine. I think this is one interesting thing why many people want a DIY 3D printer, because they can turn a 3D printer into their own part. I enjoy watching you guys do a lot of modifications, and those are wonderful. Exactly. Thank you. It's really cold here. We don't have a heater. Well, that's enough hello and greetings to all of you. And I will start our topic today. Um, Softwares. We want to design things instead of download from the website like Thingiverse, since they are already made for you. And you can, of course, we can print it out and put it nicely in our home. But it's not ours. When we design things, we can control from everyone. We can control the dimension, we can control the shape, and we can control what we want it to be. And let's start now. I'm using SolidWorks, and we will start from some not difficult things, but really easy things, but it's useful in our daily lives.
Suddenly, I have a question.
Yes.
The machine, how high temperature they will doesn't work？多少温度它就不工作？如果室内。
Okay, so you're asking the temperature range. Okay, actually, the hot bath temperature can go up to 110 for this one. 110。
我是说室内多少温度它就不会再工作？
这里都会工作。
只要有电就可以。
Yes, yes. Okay. The hot bath is always working. And the five and the 5 Pro Plus. Okay. Interesting. We have under 5, we have under 5 Pro, and also we have under 5 Plus. We have 3 types of printers, and you want them become one. Well, nice thinking. I don't know. I think there will be under 6, something like this.
Yeah. And the 6 Pro and the 6 Plus.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Let's share the screen. Okay, here we are. This is what I designed before the live stream. As you can see, I made a couple simple letters, and the whole process of the designing will take that less than 3 minutes. So just think about this. For example, if the Christmas is coming or other event festival is coming, you want to use your 3D printer to make some in your room or some your family. You can design some letters and put them in the gift box. When they open it, it will be a surprise.
Yeah, special.
And here I will use I will just make it quick and for you guys, no time to waste. Okay, I will start a new one.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy birthday to you. Oh, what?
Okay. Okay, this will be a new window. And firstly, I will choose which plane I will draw my sketch. This is front plane. And then I will go to sketch and select the text. Here I'm under the text window. You can put whatever letters in it, even different language like Chinese or other Japanese or Spanish. Anyway, here I'm gonna put let's say code. Actually, it's a code, right? COLD. Next, we're gonna change the size of the letters. So in the library, you can change to many font, and okay, right here, and the size of the letter. It's too small. Maybe this one. Okay, code here. Now click yes. Remember, we are on the on one plane, so this is a 2D sketch. If I rotate it, as you can see, it's only 2 dimension. Next, I will extrude it to a 3D model. Here we have extruded or both, and then it gets our Z value here. You can use the arrow to select your Z value roughly, or you can put a value here. Let's say, okay, 4 is okay, 3 maybe. Click yes. Now it becomes to a 3D model. At this page, it's ready to be output or save as a STL file and then to be printed. So it's quite easy and simple. Now here I will save it as the popular STL file, or you can save it to 3MF or AMF. They are just different formats. It depends on you. One tip here, we can change the option here to set the details about the model. When we output the model, we can change the details. You want the rough or you want it smooth. It's gonna change the surface of your STL file, and it will impact the final surface smoothness. This is why many people download STL file and found when they print it out, there are so many flat lines on the circle. That's because when the designer save it, they save it in a rough mode. Okay, let's call it. Are we here? I hope we're still online.
No sound.
Yes, exactly. this is just very, very fundamental or basic knowledge of the techniques in the softwares. We can do more advanced settings in SolidWorks, but it will take longer and more skills or personal experience. Okay, I will show you next. I will show you this skill in the next. I mean, after we finish this letter, we will do it in the next part. It's a little bit small. I will just rescale it to like maybe 200%, maybe 350. Okay. We will save the G code to the to my computer. And then I will use the printer face to send my G code to the 3D printer. I will, okay, let me just here, change the camera to the printer. All right. I will stop this print right now. Okay, the printer stopped, and then I'll go auto home. Okay, can you remove the model? Just use my spoon.
Oh, it's like one by one.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, can you put them all out? All right. So we're gonna load up the new G code. Okay, we can do a preview on the right side window. Okay, ready to go. I'll just off the printer first, and then print the new project. Here I can set up my temperature for the nozzle and for the hot bed. Here will be the real-time readouts from the printer. careful. Okay, the printer is heating up, and hopefully it's got to its target temperature soon.
Thank you, Sadiq. Take care.
Can you move the camera? Oh, maybe move the printer back a little bit. Okay, we have a comment here. If you apply ironing on the highest layer of the code letters, why is there that final result don't give a shiny appearance on top of that? I tried the ironing model or ironing function before. Actually, it was not that good as expected. I don't know why. Just how I don't know how it worked actually, but the top layer, I think by default it was good enough. If you put ironing and it just kind of like the nozzle running on a top layer one more time without any material came out. It just kind of hot it again and then leave it like that. Sometimes it makes it worse. I don't know if I speak it clearly or not.
Using a shiny gold filament, what can be done to resolve this issue?
Well, I have to say by the patterns of the 3D printer or the um, slicer settings, we always leave some lines on the top surface. Hello. Well, I don't know if I can help you with other techniques. Let me see. No, I mean, for most models, the top layer will not be like a mirror flat. It will have some marks or lines on it. That's just the path the nozzle went. So far, we don't have any resolution or like a solution for this. You can call it an issue. Actually, it's not an issue. It's just the way the printer runs. Okay, I missed one. Ironing goes out simple again with. Okay, 5%. It's not zero. So. Okay. Thank you for the explanation. I didn't go that detail. Well, that's well explained. Again, it will not give you a shiny or mirror-like surface.
If you are wanting to smooth out a line, you need to look at center smoothing.
That's okay. That's really dangerous, and it's kind of post-processing techniques. It's not made by the printer. It's just some post processing by using the liquid to smooth the material, and it is dangerous. Be careful, wear a mask. Okay, so let it print. I will just speed up a little bit. I think I trust my Ender 3 V2 can go up to, I don't know, 80 millimeter, maybe. I like use the controller or G-code sender. It's really convenient for a small project. But if uh, it print a large project, I will use SD card. Okay, 150 maybe. Let it run. Next, I will show you guys how to make letters or names on one existing model. But still, we have to design the model first. If you want to make letters on the downloaded STL files, you have to use a different software. Oh yeah, you can use this one, but you're gonna reverse the STL file into the SolidWorks file first. Many ways to do that. Part 2.
Right.
We have a frozen screen right now. Give us a little bit time.
Mm. 我们想那个不考。
嗯，OK。
40分钟是一个考。你们网页发完了，他翻译。
Okay, we are back here.
We are coming back.
Sorry for the offline again. I'm gonna open my software. Just give me a couple seconds, and I'm opening my SolidWorks. Okay, next, we're gonna make something, I would say more difficult, or it's not correct. It's still simple. Well, we're gonna just try some different features or functions or tools in the slicers to give everyone a general ideas what you can do. Say we're gonna use polygon this time. Okay, again, the principle is we have to choose one plane first, or one dimension first, and then we draw something and give it a dimension. Okay, I'm using inch here. Never mind, that's fine. And we need to define its relationship with the plane or any other lines. For most, it's important for design for engineering. Once the lines are defined, it will turn into black. So here I will extrude it, maybe 3 inch. Next, I will put some chamfer on it to make it not that cutting to my finger. I will add the chamfer to the bottom. It's maybe 0.1. It's better. Next, I will hollow the inside area because I want to make a cup. Now we have features on among lots of the tools here. We have one function called shell. We can define how the wall thickness and click choose the surface you don't want and click yes. You see how easy is that? Next, when user asks me, can you put a name on the model? Yes, we can put any letters or pictures on it. Choose a surface you wanna write down your name. Let's say here we can write down Ghana. Maybe the letter is vertical because my model is in a z-axis. So to prevent this, I will save my operation first. And before it, I will draw a line. This is a reference line to locate the letters. Now I can just put my line on the curve now as a reference. So the letter will stay within line. Next, I will cut it off actually. Make it extruded 0.1. This is how it looks.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it looks small. You can change it, whatever you like. Okay, this is how we put the letters on the model. Next, I want to do something more. I like, for example, I like Apple. I want to put the Apple symbol on my designed part. How can I do that? Firstly, again, we will select the surface of the model and go to Sketch. And then we're gonna use some tools. As here, it's called Sketching tool and Sketch Picture. How easy is that? Okay, now we're gonna select the picture we will use. Okay, I already downloaded it. Okay, this is the picture I will draw on my model. Firstly, I have to scale it to the proper size. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay, looks good. You see, this is just a virtual image. We haven't put any real things on the model. So next, we will do a trace of the image and to get all the outline on the model. Let's say we're gonna use the spline. It's called spline. Anyway, it's curve line. It's take a little bit of time. Now the top is done. You can change some details, but I don't mind. See? I think here is a sharp edge. I better start a new one. Oh, no. Anyway, it's not exactly as the original one because we need some practice and spend and some patience. But that's the my demo. Okay. It's close enough for me. Okay, I'll just say click yes and go to feature and cut the shape out. Maybe familiar with inch. That's fine. Okay, now we have an apple on the cup. This is not a good shape, but I think I made my point here. Next, we're gonna save the image. No, save the model to STL. Name it, That's some information about this model. Well, at this stage, the designing process is done. I will save the model and close it. Can close the software. I'm gonna save it. It's just a demo. Well, so I hope by doing this, I can give you guys some basic knowledge of modeling and designing things. So by this way, you can try some free softwares or paid softwares by yourself to create something for yourself and for your friends, for your family.
Yeah.
This will be more interesting, and I think it's meaningful, more meaningful than just download STL file and print it out. Okay, at this stage, we are close to the end of the live stream. We don't have any thing else. If you have questions, you can ask us. Okay, I will stop the print right now. No, we can show you the code letter here. Show the code. Okay, so well, nice print actually. It's still the infill inside here. When the hardback cools down, the model will come out easily. All right. We still have a couple minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Let's see what we have here. It's called blank. But anyway, I will save the model. Okay, thank you. I'll see you later.
So quickly to divide.
Yeah, exactly.
And the whole work. Let's do more this.
Okay, thank you for
Yeah,
watching this.
helpful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I will. You didn't get a live? Okay, then you can just see what the recording. We are close to the end. Let's let the printer start the print, and then we call it a day. And thank you guys for watching. I will just change the camera so you can see us. We are still here. All right. It's heating up. I'm just practice this live stream this StreamYard. See what functions I can use. Okay, this is glass camera. Okay, one camera. Can I? Okay. Okay, the printer start to move. It's almost 7:30. Okay, I'll say goodbye to everyone and enjoy 3D printing and happy printing. Okay,
Yeah.
see you guys next week. Okay,
Yeah.
stay
See you
safe,
next
stay
time.
warm. Let's
Bye.
okay. Let's change the camera first and say goodbye.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
Bye
bye
bye.
bye.
See you next week.
Bye.